Say hi, Dad. Anong niluluto mo?
Hindi ko nga din
Daddy, parang tanga. Dali, ayusin mo. Paano kasi sikat niyan? Siya po talagang aming master chef. Sa Facebook ko na nga lang ila-live.
Wow.
Wow, nice one. Dan dan dan, it's cooking time.
No, ask me.
Sabi mo, aalis ka.
Yeah, I was getting my hair cut.
Nagpaganda lang pala. Hi, anak! Chirit! Hi, Pogi! Ano yan? My God!
I have a dog.
These are... Hello! Pa sa YouTube pala, anak, nababaliktad mo yung ano. Yung...
Wala, naglagay na ako.
Car Kevin!
Where's Kevin?
This is my dog.
Kevin! Kevin!
Oh, that's the big one.
Pizza making! Daddy, dapat binibigyan mo ng ano, nagsasalita ka rin. Ganun talaga.
Ay, hindi.
I wanna do it.
Another one.
Dad,
Bro.
please explain. Ano nang ginagawa mo? Daddy, Tagalog naman eh. Ano? Ang tawag doon? Saucing?
Give it to me.
Give it to me, na 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 na. Anak, ang arte mo naman maglagay.
I'm doing it better than he did.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi.
Mag-commercial ka nga, anak.
Mama, this is a different book. It's a special
Show me. Show them. Dali. Oh, nice. Magpakilala ka, anak. Who are you?
good thing.
And you are
You need to more.
Like everywhere.
turning.
Six.
When is your birthday?
Like this.
6 days. November 36.
November 36.
No, 6 days. Not, when I said 36,
Mm.
the 6 is like away by the 30. I don't like that sound.
Anak, wait lang.
You're a little late, love. I want to make a pizza.
Cheese, cheese. Nak, you need to wait. Ate, let him put some. Si Kevin, vegetarian yan with cheese. Cheese with with vegetables. Whatever.
Dad.
Magic. That's different one. Oh, nayari. Ano man pala yung bacon? Oh my God.
Turkey bacon. What are you doing? Can I eat this? Yeah, but that's gross. But now.
Tomato sauce.
It
Ay,
smells-
tomato.
Smells bad. Smells like wine. Smells like bad. Smells bad. You smell bad. It's the sauce. Nah, it's the sauce.
Which one? Yummy, 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 yummy.
Do I put this on now?
Chloe, like this. Not all in the middle. So, when
I
you
guess-
cook the pizza, should be even.
Ooh, la 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 la.
Can I put it now? The pepperoni.
Yeah, just hapa. The rest are simply cheese.
I want more cheese in the other side kasi I can only eat the ano.
1, 2, 4 pep. Okay. Should I eat it?
Okay.
Ano gagana?
One more. Then there is simply cheese.
One cheese lang, Daddy. Daddy, exhibition naman dyan. Daddy, mag-exhibition ko naman. Oh. Oh, game.
Wait, what's that one? What's that one?
Hindi ko nakita! Ano ba yan? Again.
What's that one?
That's seafood. Yummy, yummy.
That.
Beetroot.
Oh, you made
olives?
the ano.
Yeah.
I don't want black
The,
olives. Okay, but I don't like beetroot, so I'm gonna put some on mine. So.
what about in the other na lang? Let this one, the pepperoni and the
I'm gonna wash my hands in the hill.
Doon ka mag-wash sa...
Where's the bacon one?
Kevin, what's the thing you say? Dopey bacon?
Sophie bacon, he said toy.
Look, Daddy's putting bacon on the pizza.
Hi, Dopey bacon.
I can have that, but... Ay. Gusto ko maraming cheese saka bacon. Oh,
Chloe.
babe. Ilang pizza gagawin mo, Dad?
3, but 1 for dessert.
Oh, okay. Simple cheese din kalahati niyan.
Hindi. Sardines.
Sardinas. Totoo.
That's seafood pizza.
You're gonna put black olives on that one?
Oh, Dad.
Mm.
Yan ilalagay mo. Meron
Okay.
sardinas.
Wait,
dun.
what about the pineapple?
What's that?
Dun. O kaya yung binili ko
Chloe.
kanina.
This one, you can create wherever you want. The half one, that's yours. And this one for them.
Tingnan mo kung maganda yung klase niya.
I'll make this wherever you want. The other one is for them.
Okay.
The half one pepperoni, the other one wherever you think.
Do you think
is good
pineapple
for
and
you.
black olives are good?
Yeah.
Mom, would you eat that?
The what?
Pineapple and black olives together?
Yeah.
Oh,
Huwag mo lang akong paliguan.
Come on, Dad.
raindrops fell down from the
No! No. I don't know what's happening. I'm just not a bad baby.
Daddy, tinan mo yung book At Home with Ben. It's like, while I'm recording.
Oh, by the way, don't mess up the pile.
Wow. Ako pa talaga, sinabihan mo nang wag mag-mess up, ha?
You're the one that's always cutting paper and leaving it on it.
Tingnan mo yung room mo, bak. Pupunta ako dun sa room mo.
It's actually cutting.
I wasn't cutting.
Naglinis ako kahapon.
I wasn't cutting it. Can we make cheese pizza?
Yeah,
I thought there was another one. Where's the other one?
why are they so big?
I thought we had 4.
Just the seedless
Where's the other
Seedless?
one?
How do I know which one's seedless?
Press it.
Bite it and the moon is back there. So,
Dad, where's...
alright.
Oh.
Ilalagay na natin. Kurt, can you can you stand up there and explain what Dad is doing? Come on. You're the YouTuber, diba?
Well, my dad is basically putting the toppings in the decoration.
Like,
Obviously.
This looks like Christmas pizza. Is that dragon fruit?
Dragon fruit. Are you crazy?
Kevin, Kurt. Will you introduce everyone, please?
This is my dad. Then Scenario. My mom is the cameraman.
Cameraman.
Anong captain?
Catherine Scenario. And this is my sister.
Hi, ate. And, where's the bunso?
Bunso?
Wait, I need to cut the
I didn't know we had a bunso.
Hey!
That's Kevin. Kevin Scenario. We are the Scenario.
We are the
Who
surrender.
took the name Scenario?
Doon ka na, bumalik ka na doon. Dali, wag mo na i-expose lahat ng kalat ng bahay natin.
Cheese pizza. That looks like dragon fruit. Is it?
It's not.
Okay, magbabay ka muna and then we will show them the finished product later.
Can I make my own?
Kevin, Kurt, magbabay ka muna.
Can I make my own?
Say bye first.
Bye.
Kurt,
After this,
ikaw nga anak mo.
Bye.
Mag-end.
Pizza.
Ikaw mag-end.
Bye.
Can I just make